Hey, it's Ernest with UpFix. If you've got a 2017 to 2022 Chevy Trax and your instrument cluster LCD isn't working, you're definitely not the only one. This LCD shows critical info. And this part's important because some people think it's a small screen, I can live without it. But on the Chevy Trax, that LCD doesn't show just random stuff. It's what displays your odometer, your trip information, and a lot of the diagnostic messages and warnings, like what you're seeing right here on this one. At UpFix, the main issue we repair on these track clusters is the LCD not working. So if your screen is blank or unreadable, that's exactly what this service is for. When these arrive, the LCD usually isn't working, and after the repair, it's readable again and ready to go back in the vehicle. And here's the part most people don't realize. A lot of customers think, I'll just grab a used one and swap it. But the issue is, a used cluster might already have the same LCD failure, or it can fail shortly after you install it. So repairing your original one is usually the cleanest route. You keep your original cluster, and replacing the LCD with a brand new display is often the most logical solution. Plus, it's less wasteful, you're not throwing it away, you're giving it new life. If your Chevy Trax LCD isn't working and you're tired of staring at a blank screen, just head on over to upfix.com and place the order. Send it in, we'll repair it and get it back to you. I'm Ernest, thanks for watching.